Mexicano, I'm working like a Mexicano. New persona, I'm moving on from Ferragamo. Get the llama, I party with the real Madonna. Beat the odds, do numbers, and remain humble.
Yeah, Starboy day for you.
I'm actually gonna be doing like a wet sexy look. This is what I did for the WizKid concert and I got a lot of compliments on it. It's really pretty, especially because this hair is like a deep curly, so when it's wet it gives you like that grown and sexy vibe. I'm gonna be like drenching your hair in water. So first things first, get your spray bottle with water obviously, and now just saturate your hair. So I'm gonna go in. Go in and saturate it. Bold hold glue is water resistant, but on the first day I wouldn't like test that fact out. I'm gonna take some Cantu leave-in conditioner. I love Cantu. I love Cantu for my natural hair. I just love Cantu with everything. I like the way it smells, and it's just a really great product. After I put some water, I put some leave-in conditioner, I'm gonna take my Design Essentials. It's like a silk oil thing. Chia silk infusion will work also. So between these two, it doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna use my Design Essentials. Squirt some in my hand. So what this Design Essentials is doing, or the Chia or any silk thing, is it's giving the hair shine. So I like that sexy wet look, and obviously like my hair it's not going to stay wet. It gives the illusion that it's still wet. So you want to add some of this silk infusion to the hair just to give it that shine. So you see how like now it looks like my hair is literally soaking wet, or like I just got out of the shower. All right, next, if you have a Denman brush, that works best. I don't know, I can't find mine right now, so I'm just gonna go in with this blue brush. And I also got this Conair small teeth and big teeth. So this is really nice to get like curl definition, and then this is just like kind of acts like a Denman brush also. So I'm gonna go in with this brush first and then this after. And you guys, I really, for Amazon, y'all, everybody's sleeping on Amazon. I'm telling you, Amazon is literally like the new AliExpress. Like, but all my Spanish friends back in the day, they used to like put gel in their hair and like scrunch it, and it used to be like, it looked wet, but it was kind of like crunchy. So if you want that hairstyle, I would recommend use Got2b gel. When I used the Got2b gel, it like when it hardened, it was still in this like shape, which was really nice. The only thing is it got kind of crunchy. If you don't want the crunchiness, you can use Eco Styler gel. Right now I'm just gonna go in with my Eco Styler gel, rub it in my hands, and just put it everywhere. And this is only because like we want our hair to stay in this pattern the whole night. So you don't want it to lose shape, and you still want it to kind of like look wet. And then last but not least, I'm gonna take some mousse. So this is some mousse that I found in my mom's bedroom. It's drugstore, I'm not drugstore, but it's like beauty supply store brand. It doesn't really matter. Any type of mousse that you have. This is like almost done, so it doesn't even foam anymore. It's like liquidy, as you can see, but it does the job. So I'm just gonna take some of that mousse and actually just put it right here, because I want this side of my hair to be like behind my ear, kind of like slicked back. And if you want, you can even take some gel and put it right here. Last, I locked everything in with Got2b Freeze Blast Spray. I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna come back on camera and just show you guys the full look. Okay, pause. I know you guys are thinking it's let's just get it out of the way. I forgot to blend in my foundation at the top of my forehead because I had a scarf laying down my hair while I was doing my makeup, and when I took it off, I'm just dumb and I completely forgot to blend it out. So don't judge a shawty, it was a mistake. Back to our regular schedule program. I did my makeup, my hair is done, my frontal is laid. Really good. Just a reminder again, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you guys think, and most importantly, turn your notifications on. This hair, I am so in love with this hair from Amazon, guys, but all the details about this hair, where you can purchase it, well, I'll leave the link to where I got the hair on Amazon, the link of the company, but I will be doing a review, recording a review this week on this hair, letting you guys know how much I love it, and all the details about it. Thank you for taking your time out to watch this video. Yeah, let me know what you guys want to see in the next episode of Dragon Ball Z. I'm just kidding. All right, I love you guys. Mwah. And tutorial on these nails from Walgreens coming through, coming soon. Look at these, look at these. Tell me I did not go to the nail salon. They're popping. Anyways, love you guys.
I said, baby, let's roll. Yeah.